Guys, so I come up in the week and do an overnighter with Mrs Bushwacker. So we're at the wattle shelter. Haven't been here for a while. It's changed so much. So we got 2 hammocks which we haven't done before, side by side. Just thrown one tarp over us. So it's going to be a big double bed tonight, and we're going to be able to rock each other. So a beautiful day again. Couldn't stay in tonight, so I thought I'd come out. Mrs Bushwacker, it's all stuffy indoors, and spend a night up at the wattle camp. I'm glad the fire's going now, guys. The midges are immense here, so that's cleared them off. So I'm rolling my sleeves back up, and kebabs are going on shortly. Let this die down to a few coals, and then cooking, here we come. Lovely. We've got a couple of sweet corns in here and all. How nice is this, guys? Absolutely beautiful, guys. Just finishing off my sweet corn, and the kebabs were beautiful, weren't they, Ange?
Lovely.
Done to perfection. Glad I come out, absolutely lovely. So second helping now, guys. We're a bit full, so we've just had one pork medallion each. Don't want to be too piggish. I'm making nice and smoky, guys, because the midges are really bad, getting eaten alive. So plenty of wet material, bit of duff on there, and nice. The smoke's hanging nicely. That's not a good sign, because if the smoke's hanging like that, that's participation. Participation. Well, basically, guys, it's going to rain within 24 hours. That's nice and smoky, that. Goodbye the midges. Cold sweat running down the back of my neck. Take a little money, nothing I can lose. How to be a millionaire. Cold sweat. Where there's smoke, there's fire. Right then, guys, I'm going to get in my hammock soon, drop my fly screen and have a nice siesta, and I'll see you in the morning. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow.
Good night.
Miss Bushwacker's nearly asleep. Good night, Ange.
Night.
Cheers guys. Morning guys, good night's sleep. Just got the fire on. Can have a quick brew and then pack up and it's off to work. Going to maybe spend a weekend up here another time and bring the wood burner, maybe put some tarp on it, do a couple of nights with the wood burner. Oh, that's nice, do like it. I'll probably have there's Becky's teepee over there. It's a nice little camp, really different to the other one, totally different feel. But once I kit it out in here, it'll be lovely. It's a real home, this one. It's got a bit of brekkie there guys. Thanks for watching guys. Lovely evening, really enjoyed it. Hope you liked the video. See you on the next one. Enjoy the great outdoors. Cheers guys.